There are lots of ways to organize your docs in Craft so you can work in a way that suits any project, client, or team. You can use teams, spaces, folders, documents, and subpages to organize your work, giving you tons of flexibility when it comes to structuring your workspace. Teams are the top level of structure in Craft. You can invite coworkers, collaborators, or family members you want to create and share docs with to your team. Inside your team, you can create spaces. You could have spaces for different projects, clients, or departments, depending on your needs. For example, you could set up one space for your company-wide knowledge base that everyone can access, and then create separate spaces where individual departments can work together, like marketing or engineering. Inside a space, you can make folders to organize different projects, activities, or responsibilities. So in marketing, you could have website, social media, SEO, video production, and whatever else you need. Finally, you have your documents, where you'll actually create and share ideas, updates, or documentation in Craft. These work just like a regular page, except that you can nest subpages and cards inside them to structure information and organize your thoughts. Like this marketing proposal that has different cards within it containing more information. To learn more about nesting documents, check out our quick tip video on subpages and cards.